This version of Web Intelligence has been developed to improve decision-making and user autonomy by facilitating ad hoc queries, reporting, analysis, and collaboration. In this release of Web Intelligence, the HTML client has been improved to align its abilities with that of the Java applet. Crucial features are now available in the HTML client, such as change source wizard, Bex queries or Excel spreadsheets as data sources, apply conditional formatting, and many more. In version 4.2 SP3, you can now choose between geo-qualifying by name or by coordinates, thus making the geo-qualification workflow much more efficient than ever before, and improving the power of the matching algorithm. It is also possible to geo-qualify merged objects and variables. The list of visualization extensions has been increased in version 4.2 SP3, and SAP partners can now use this framework to come up with their own predefined components. Create groups of input controls to make them interact with one another by sequentially selecting values for each one. Each selection triggers the filtering of other values in the group so that you can choose from a pre-filtered list. The order of priority is shown by a filter path, which reflects your choices. References are a new variable type that you can use as shortcuts to cells of your reports. They point to data of any given cell. Drag and drop them directly from the Available Objects pane to visualize them or reuse them in a formula. For example, references are useful to define a new variable or to create a summary that retrieves content from other reports. The Set Variables dialog box that was available in SAP HANA Online mode is now also available in the Query panel. Use the dialog box to fix variable values and avoid answering prompts each time you refresh the document. A new navigation path option can be selected in the Available Objects pane to display objects in their parent hierarchies. With this new view, you can check how Web Intelligence navigates through SAP HANA objects or use HANA level-based hierarchies for drilling through workflows. New parameters allow you to fine-tune parallel queries directly in the user interface of the CMC, the Information Design Tool, or the Universe Design Tool. You can, for instance, enable or disable parallel queries and combine them with scheduling, and set their maximum value for OLAP and relational connections. You can now add a comment to any block or individual table cell. A small icon next to the commented block or cell lets you know that a comment has been entered. If you hover over it, a tooltip displays the comment. Shared elements now support GeoMaps charts, custom elements, big number settings and measures when saved as a shared element, and embedded background images. You can also assign them categories for better clarity, keep a link between the published shared element and its source document, or automatically update the document it uses when it is opened. Try out this new version.